Hi, I'm Chad Cook, and I'm a professor at Duke University. I'm one of the principal investigators on ForceNet. Thank you for your interest in ForceNet. I'd like to talk to you about what is a force-based manipulation. If you're wondering if you should watch this video, it is targeted to those individuals who have an interest in force-based manipulation. It's also targeted to those researchers who are interested in submitting for some of our U24 pilot grants. There are 3 U24s, and if you go to our website, you can get the links to the other 2 groups, which are also providing pilot grants. And third, it's for individuals who have a research idea, but they want to make sure it fits the U24 parameters. So the objectives of ForceNet are to provide pilot funding for force-based manipulation studies on mechanisms. And I would recommend that you watch our other video on mechanisms to have an understanding of what this is. We're also planning on creating an interdisciplinary network of force-based investigators. We hope to provide training materials for new investigators or those who are just initiating mechanisms-based research. And then we'll also disseminate some information on mechanisms. In this particular video, we will focus on force-based manipulations that are associated with the pilot funding that we offer. So what are force-based manipulations? Well, they're treatments, and they're often considered part of pain management, general rehabilitation care, general wellness, or disease prevention. They refer to the application of mechanical force to the outside of the body with a therapeutic intent. There are actually a number of treatments that fall under this category. These may include things such as light therapeutic touch, massage, thrust manipulation, non-thrust mobilization, acupressure, mobilization with movement, or in some cases, acupuncture or dry needling. Examples of research questions that reflect what we're looking for in our U24 pilot grants include, is there a difference in thrust manipulation versus non-thrust manipulation? And these are our force-based manipulations in modulation of plasma levels of inflammatory cytokines in humans with low back pain. Or how does the use of acupressure, which in this case is the force-based manipulation, influence the activation of glial cells and the expression of brain-derived neurotrophic factor in mice? Or does massage, in this case being the force-based manipulation, modulate peripheral blood mononuclear cells and serum cortisol in humans or animal models? Notice in all 3 of these examples, the active element to this is a force-based mechanism. If there is no force-based manipulation included in your U24 pilot grant, it's not appropriate for submission. How important is force-based manipulation in the grant? Well, it's imperative. We will only allow submissions to go through to review if it includes manipulation, such as light therapeutic touch, acupressure, massage, thrust manipulation, non-thrust manipulation, and/or mobilization with movement. We will not include any submissions that have acupuncture or dry needling in the pilot submissions. Further, ForceNet only allows submission in which the primary outcome measure is associated with a mechanism. And once again, I would recommend that you watch the sister video to this on what constitutes a mechanism-based study. If you have any questions, the 2 PIs, Chad Cook, me, or Bill Reed from the University of Alabama, Birmingham, can be reached either via email or through phone. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you consider submitting to our pilot grants.